Welcome to Sweet Treats Bakery. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to order a birthday cake.
Wonderful. When do you need it for?
Next Saturday, for my daughter's birthday.
We can definitely do that. What flavor does she like?
She loves chocolate with strawberry filling.
Great choice. How many guests are attending?
Around 15 people, mostly kids.
A medium round cake will be perfect.
Can we add a custom design?
Yes, we can. Does she have a favorite theme?
She loves space, stars and rockets.
That sounds fun. We can decorate it with blue frosting and yellow stars.
That sounds beautiful. She will love it.
Do you want any writing on the cake?
Yes. Happy 8th birthday, Chloe.
Got it. Let me write that down.
How much will a custom cake cost?
For this size and design, it is $60.
Okay, that is within my budget.
We require a 50% deposit today.
Sure, I can pay that now with my card.
Perfect. What time would you like to pick it up?
Around 11 in the morning, if possible.
11 a.m. on Saturday is locked in.
Thank you so much. I am very excited.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.